Okay. Hi, people. Today we're playing Bowser's Fury for the second time. You're holding a B for some reason.
I have a bee. He's behind our microphone.
It's a Minecraft bee. And it's cute, and I want to pet it like a cat. Anyway, let's get started. We're at this one.
I thought I was Mario this time.
I know, what?
Scoot over.
You get the microphone this time because you're Mario.
What? The microphone's in the middle of us. That's going to be loud on the recording. They're going to hear.
What?
Scooting that around. Come on, Pixel Bowser Jr. Paint the picture for us to see.
The bee flew behind the microphone.
I don't know how to play this. Why did we get a bunch of coins just now?
I don't know.
Did we do this already? Oh.
Wait a second, you need to go into the menu. I don't think I'm second player right now.
Oh, sorry.
Wait. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, you might have to help me know where to go. Sorry, cat thing.
We need to go anywhere you want. Anywhere where there's a cat shine.
Okay.
You decide to go this way. And you bounce me back into the nothingness.
Is this the right way? Is there one over here?
Yeah, that's the Kazam. There's stuff over there.
Oh, sorry, fish thing.
I'm trying to hurt the birds. Not really, but you know. I guess we could go fight Bowser. I'm pretty sure we got that. There, I got it. That's how you're supposed to do it. We can fight Bowser, though. If you want to.
But I don't have the cat thing. Oh, that's how you get the cat thing. Freaking run, dude.
You know, like the first minute of this is just us fighting Bowser. Come on, we have to get it.
I thought he was gonna hit me. I don't like getting hit. I was tucking under that little corner.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Giant Cod
Cool hair.
versus Giant Turtle. Again. Here, I can help. Let me help!
I don't know where I am. How do I...
You get the harder one. I got the easy one.
Why is this one harder?
Because he does that. And you literally landed on him. And thought that was a good idea.
Well, I thought I would be able to, like, claw at him.
Well, yeah, but not at the top where he is spiky.
Yeah, hit him.
I am. The Gigabell's back. Hurry, get the Gigabell.
I'm getting it.
I'm
Freaking out a little
panicking.
bit. Why is my camera so slow?
How the game works. Watch out. Hide behind the building. I don't think you hid. Okay, he's gonna ground pound you, so you have to hurry up and get out of the circle. So, and then ground pound on him. Yeah. Have another chance to win. Over there. Get it.
Can't tell where he's at. Oh, see that random dodge that I didn't have planned at all?
It makes good entertainment that wasn't planned. Good unplanned entertainment.
Where'd he go?
Sometimes the best kind of entertainment is the unplanned kind.
Who says?
Me. Because I watch YouTube videos like BTG. Now since I said that, I'm gonna get millions of views because he's, you know, a popular channel. Really, he isn't that popular, but he's thousands, so better than me. He's alive! Never mind, he's going to bed.
I need a nap. I'm grouchy. He just sinks into the tar.
I think it's supposed to be goop, but whatever.
Like tar to me.
Looks like Bowser
Oh,
joined.
what do you want?
And more to... I can't believe he ran away again. I mean, Dad's the best at everything. Of course he knows when it's time to retreat. This Gigabell is all spotchy again. We need more cat chimes. Oh. Maybe we'll find some hiding in the islands we've already visited. Let's go find out.
Where was I going?
We're going to the Coliseum of the Tournaments of Elements. Tournament of Elements. You probably don't get that reference, do you?
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, it's one of these things.
Or are the only boss in the game?
Whatever.
Yeah, this is the easiest boss in the game. Like, I'm even hitting her. That's so easy. I just destroyed her without it being a thing. The next one has spikes in the battlefield, but you have to wait, like, you have to get another cat chime for it to load, I'm pretty sure. For it to, like, grow, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's just you have to go a different area. There's a way out of there. Here, I got it. I don't got it.
How do you... Can't you, like... I thought you could, like... That's a different game I'm thinking of, isn't it?
Rainbow Stars. Maybe Odyssey.
Maybe. Probably Odyssey.
Odyssey was fun. Do you agree?
Yeah.
What's your favorite Mario game?
Oh my goodness. I don't think I know these controls at all. I don't think I can make that. I thought for sure you could dive on this game, though. Can you not at all? What's happening?
Oh, do you know?
Oh, I don't have control over this stuff. That's all you. But you can only dive as a cat, probably, huh?
Yeah. This game is all about cats.
I can just climb up the wall with this, right?
I feel like the cat power-up only really works in 3D spaces, really. Okay, let's get out of here.
What's that?
The painting, I can paint it.
Hey. Oh, sweet. I thought I saw some, like, cat
I like how you can
coin
save
things.
power-ups, but there should be more. You know.
Yeah.
But also, I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be like a... Like, not like a very big game.
Oh, there's one up there.
Here, I got it. You don't even have to fling yourself.
Can't get it anyway.
I could have gotten it, but... Never mind.
Oh, well, where's the other one at? Because there's still 3 missing, right?
Here, let's...
Oh! There's one up there. We were just up there.
Look. Look up. No.
Go grab it. I was gonna go up there anyway, because I gotta get up to the top and get the other one. But where's the last one at?
Last two. The last one is probably the one at the top.
I know where that one is, but I'm saying, like, where's the other one that we're missing? Okay, you got it?
Robaba.
Can't tell where it's at. Okay. So there's one more, but where the heck? Is it on, like, the outside wall or something?
It could be, like, on the island. You know there's just a pipe, right?
Nope, I didn't know there was just a pipe. You see that?
You get a power up if you come up here.
Ow!
Well, now you know that you can just go back up the pipe. At least.
Give me that.
It's just a mushroom, but still.
That's still sort of helpful, right?
Yeah. I mean, I guess you could just use, like, well, the power-ups that we have a lot of, because we have a lot of them, and then, you know.
Let's see, where did we come in at? Guys, after me!
I think I destroyed him.
There's one left. Where could it be? Is there, like, a window or something that we missed going out?
Is it in one of the windows that
On
are
the inside, maybe?
on the inside?
Probably.
I feel like it's more likely to be on the inside, so let's look there.
We looked in that window. That's where we got one of them.
Oh, I think I remember.
Where?
I think it's in the water.
Down here?
Oh, I mean under it.
Ah.
See, I knew
Very
it.
sneaky.
I knew it was in the water.
Cool. Let me out!
We've got the Bowser Jr. power-up. Right here, if you press L and R, Bowser Jr. teleports to you.
What a good power-up.
And then he can help you with almost anything except for
Where's that weird dinosaur
nothing.
thing at?
Plussy?
There's a thing. There's a thing.
Oh. I thought you were talking about Plussy. Oh, big over there. But yeah, Plussy's a weird dinosaur thing.
Paint, paint, paint.
You gotta really try to avoid the islands.
It would help if my camera would turn with me instead of work against me, Nintendo.
And that's the same with Sonic, so... something bad's about to happen. You better get that cat shine. So... You got it! Ruins Rabbit plays tag.
Yeah.
Wait. We can get the Bowser blocks.
Where are those at?
I don't know, but the
Lead
Bowser...
me the way.
Right there. See? See him? And Bowser shoots fire at those. Get off. Bowser shoots fire at those.
Where's Bowser at? Oh.
Bowser shoots fire at those. He breaks them, and then there will be a cat shine in them. Well, normally there is. But the cat shine's up in there. Oh, crap. What? No.
This is a good idea, right? All this
mean,
raining fire, and there's a giant angry turtle trying to kill me.
I mean, yes, definitely. At least you got it. That means that
Like,
he
that's
takes
too
damage.
freaking bright. I'm leaving.
He takes damage too.
Is there anything else here? That's a lot of birds. I'm a cat!
Really, you can't eat the birds because they are cats. Like, the only thing you can eat, because everything are cats, so the only thing that you can eat right now is basically...
What? Why is that out there in the middle of... Oh, you're supposed to ride a dragon thing, aren't you?
It's not a dragon, it's a plushie.
Hi, dragon thing.
It's like a dolphin dragon. It's a dolphin dragon lizard dinosaur.
So we've been over here, haven't we?
Yeah, but there could be new stuff. See?
There's a blue coin bustle. Where's that at?
I mean, it's probably the big red button right there.
What? Did you say red?
Yeah, like on colorblind, remember the last episode? Every time I see a blue button or a purple button, every
I
time I
didn't do
see a
very good at
button,
all,
I say
did
it's
I?
a big red button because normally when we press big red buttons, missed one, but normally where you press big red buttons, where it's where the world explodes. You know. Yeah, I think you did it. And there's more up top. Yeah,
There's
and
more up top.
I just saw them, and you're literally
Oh. Well, how was I supposed to know that? The last one
because
I grabbed was on the bottom.
that's because you get them all at the start.
Oh my gosh. I think the cat thing's throwing me off.
Yeah, maybe
Can I not be cat? Ow.
be fire flower.
That was weird to see Mario do a cat claw and he wasn't a cat.
Yeah, that always happens. It's weird, but it's kind of funny. Plus, why do you turn into a cat?
Ow!
See, there's still some more.
Oh, I see. You could help me get these.
I don't think I can.
I just saw you grab one.
Oh,
I was like, oh.
I did not realize.
I didn't either. Until you grabbed that one, I was like, oh.
I thought that there are like one of the things like cat shines where I can't help you, so that Bowser Jr. doesn't help you with them. You know.
Yeah. I did it.
Roar, roar, roar.
What's in here? Oh, sweet.
I think I roared.
Oh, sorry, Bowser. So, where... Do we have, like, a map? What's that?
Those are the ones that have cat shines still.
First Step Island? Oh, that's clever. Okay, well, let's go that way. Where's that? Over here?
First Step Island you can't get to yet. It's all goopy right now. Now that place you can get to. And this place is another challenge. Because it has a big red button that explodes the universe.
Oh, I have to get over there and get that.
But it's timed. 20 seconds. You have 20 seconds to get over there. If you don't, the world explodes.
Well, I'm not doing very good, am I?
Yeah, I feel like you would
the world's going to explode.
Yeah, I feel like the world's gonna explode.
Clutch.
Water bucket clutch. Cat shine clutch.
Oh, what? That was unexpected. Ah, help me.
They get angry at you
Yeah, they were.
for being mean. Which really, it's probably a good idea to be
turned on
mean
my
to
camera
them.
somehow.
Are you gonna get the Bowser block, or did you just run into a wall?
I did. What's the Bowser block? Where is it?
There's some around here.
Well, I don't know where, so...
Here, go to that area that you were at. That one. There's some there.
Yeah, but it's a Gigabell. It meowed. Hehe, I'm in danger.
If you are. You're not doing a very good job staying out of it. No, it's not up there. It's on the sides.
Oh, well, turn the camera for me. Help me find it.
See, right there.
Where is he? Is he gonna breathe fire again? Hi, Bowser. Oh, cook. Cook. Thanks. This music sounds like it's from, like, Dynasty Warriors or something.
I think I might have said that last time. Something like that.
Did I? It sounds like something I would say, considering I just said it. Okay, now what do we do?
Show's over, Cat Magic Koopas!
Okay, we need to go... Was that right here?
Yeah. Oh, coin thing. We have to get in and we get lots of coins. The more we stepped on it, the more coins we get. Except for it dies. They're afraid of you because you're not a little caught. Now you are a little caught and come back and they love you.
What do I do with them?
Nothing.
Oh, they're just cats?
Yeah, they're just kind of cats. Where you need to go is the Magic Koopas. Shows over Cat Magic Koopas.
Oh yeah, show me where that is.
It's just up here.
Oh.
As you can see, they float, so... Bubby! Get me over here! I want to destroy one.
I fell! I feel like... Holy crap, it takes that many coins? But I feel like... The biggest issue with this game... My issue with this game is I cannot understand the camera. Or it's just too slow. I feel like it's never pointing in the direction I need it to be pointing. Does that make sense?
Either Junior, I want you to be up here, maybe.
Is there a way to center the camera to in front of me?
I don't think there is. So. Yeah, we did it.
That one's got a flag now. There's a button to flip the camera. Okay, do we need to go back to that because we have a flag on it now? That flag lighthouse?
No, we never... Well, maybe it will give us a reward, probably, but really, there's nothing, like, this is the end. We don't ever have to come back here.
Light news for you. Like, it's gonna be right there a while. Yeah.
They like give you a 1-up in this game because you don't have lives, but...
You just lose coins. That's it. Just lets you fling somewhere else. And it doesn't even fling you very far.
That's probably because you weren't holding back on it. Like, at all. So, that might be the reason, but...
That's probably a good reason.
I'm Luigi dancing in my chair with a derpy face.
Oh. What is this? Oh, I remember this.
We're about to...
Key to the cat shrine?
Yeah, you have to find a key.
Wait, what were those Bowser blocks that I just saw?
They're down here.
You think he'll try to breathe fire on me right there? Go ahead, do it. It's not gonna hurt. I have a block on my head. You fool.
We're gonna beat him without even trying to even collect the cat shine.
I don't need no cat bell.
Okay, anyway, let's find the key.
Yes, let's. You think it's up there?
Probably. I would guess at the top where the old cat shine is. But I guess it could be anywhere, really.
What's this? Is it another propeller thing?
Silver bell cat.
I don't know what that does.
It's just an upgraded version of the cat bell. I would recommend maybe not losing it. But anyway, I think the key's somewhere around here. I think you have to search for it. Because you can see the cages down there.
Oh, I see.
I have to bring the key to the cage.
Well, you see a key anywhere? Probably down lower.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's a key.
Can you fix my camera for me? I can't see anything.
Now the key's just gonna float magically into its keyhole. You know, Mario's not even surprised. You know.
We did it.
That happens like all the time. For him.
Now we get a flag and a
magically
pole. A flagpole?
Like, keys just magically fly into keyholes sometimes.
Hey, you should stop breathing fire at me. That'd probably be nice. Cause that was all the way at the top of this, right? Hey.
If you kill it while it's in the air, or right by the end of its plant thing, you know, right at its like root thing.
Little boof. It's
Yeah,
moved.
yeah, it boofed.
I just threw that cat.
I think those used to be pokies.
Get up there. Okay, so you do that.
And then you do that. And then you launch to wherever you launch to. As you can see, you launch pretty far. So, you were wrong.
I've learned a thing. Sometimes I learn things. I can be a learn man. What's that?
I think it brings you to a pipe. Like a golden place, if you do it. I think we've done this before, but... Oh, never mind, we haven't. Collect as many coins as you can. Collect as many coins as you can. Collect as many coins as you can.
There's a secret thing right here or something. Oh, maybe I'm crazy. Maybe it was just the coins.
Well, I think it's because there were so many coins it was giving us power-ups because we got like 200.
Oh, that makes sense.
Meow, 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 meow. I am meowing because this game's about cats.
There's another key thing over there.
Meow. Okay. Let's get it.
Oops. I swam to the bottom.
I think we got the Bowser blocks here, so...
Should we just go find the bell?
Well, there's more Bowser blocks in the world right now. Ew.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. I can't do it. Okay, I got it.
You want to go find a Bowser block now, or do you want to get the bell?
Let's get the bell this time.
He's really only half health right now. Because we just...
Is it game over if we beat him? Like, we just win, right? That's how games work. He had a real goofy smile on his face. You guys couldn't see it.
Giant cod
We should
versus
probably,
giant turtle.
We should probably stop after this fight, though.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
What's he gonna do first? Did I just pick something up?
Hit him in his belly.
Oh.
Ground pound him. I'm gonna get him.
Get wrecked. Yeah, hit him in the face. I see his health going down every time you hit him.
He's nowhere.
I'll hide in here. This is gonna work, right?
I have no idea where I am.
I don't either. Oh, I thought for sure I got him just now. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna try? You gonna try something?
Oh, he's just doing his spin attack. That means you have to dodge it.
Camera does not turn fast enough. I can't see him. Oh, whatever.
Ground pound.
Where's he? There he is.
Yeah!
We win! The game's over now.
No, there's still like one more world.
Oh, he farted real big. You can see his belly like expanding. There's a cat rainbow.
Cat rainbows are cool.
Ew! Why is he so gross? So will he not terrorize this area anymore?
No, he'll still appear.
Oh. That's how you unlock another world. You have to defeat him.
Yeah.
Why don't I remember any of this from the last time we played?
Maybe it's because you... Wait, how did he step in it if it was underwater?
Well, I mean, he's been going under the water.
Blah 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 blah. You can't read it. Blah 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 blah. Ookie. 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 Ookie.
I want to get this last one. The key to the cat shine.
You wanna get
What's that? The question mark. Oh, it's because I haven't been there yet. Where am I at? Oh, I'm over here. So we're missing one there. We're missing one here.
Whoa.
Is there a compass? Okay, nice.
Where do you wanna go?
Hold on.
Are we...
This way. And wait a minute, haven't we... We've been there. There's a one... Oh, it's the cat thing, isn't it? What's that?
You can bomb people.
Final bout with Cat Boom Boom?
What's in there?
Whoops. I hit that turtle shell with his friend. Koopa with his turtle shell friend. Friend's turtle shell. I got it! had to try it a few times, but I figured it out. I can't see anything. What's... Ow.
Well...
Oh, it's another Fury block thing. Now we know where to get it at least, right? Oh, thanks. And I still didn't make it. Oh, crap. Can you,
Yeah, Papa. Oh, you have to bring a bomb all the way up here?
And where's the bomb? Oh, there it is. Come here.
Yeah, we need you to be kind of a...
No! Oh. Is it gonna come back now that I fell down?
Probably.
No.
That's just how games work. They always come back whenever you fall down.
That's true.
Because normally you die whenever you fall down.
Holy crap! You boosted me.
You're lucky they didn't come back yet, and as you can see, the spike battlefield is gonna spike you to death.
I'd like to see it try. Rim.
So spikes.
I didn't jump good.
Here. Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Oh, I didn't jump good.
Here, do you want to find
Yeah, hit me up. Something better than a mushroom.
I think you killed them already. I like hitting enemies when they're dead. Because you're hitting them after you're destroyed them. And it's satisfying. Especially if you hit someone else. Like you hit him. And then he's like in the middle of like his animation. And then you hit him again.
Yeah, there's no other reason to be here, right? Besides getting a, Bowser thing.
Yep.
Oh, I'm a fool.
I forgot about the bee already. The bee's still here. It didn't fly away yet.
The Minecraft bee.
Yeah.
Okay, so... Oh, there's... Is that a cat shine just on that ramp? Where'd that dinosaur thing go?
Where? Where on ramp?
Where's that? There he is.
There. Dinosaur. Aren't you gonna learn how to call it Fussy?
It's not on the ramp, it's just up in the air.
Around this point, I'm pretty sure the islands are floating. So, to get off and go to that island, and then you'll be able to... Well, never mind.
Is it just, it's moving?
Yeah, that's what I said.
I see.
And now you just lost your chance. Yeah, if you do that, you can drown. It falls into the water. The island falls into the water.
It's going to sink?
Yeah.
Put me back on.
See, I told you, and now you missed it because you didn't try.
What?
You didn't try to get it, so you missed it. You just rode the island. Okay. Ride the island now. Then you'll be able to get it.
I just need to stand here. I don't have to move, right?
I think you might need to jump or something, but not sure.
Alright. I'm gonna jump.
Yeah, jump!
I'm gonna jump.
Jump! Okay. So... You wanna drown?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just, like, you know, fall into the water.
So there's one over there. Crisp flying.
I like how it's just a painting.
That's right in front of Mario. It's over there. How's it floating? Oh, it's got propellers. That still doesn't make any sense. Hi, dragon thing.
I like how you keep calling it a dragon thing, even though that's not. I'm not even sure what it is.
What the heck was that?
What? What?
Oh, it's a weird power-up block. Mushroom! Wow.
Yeah, but a star is kind of useless too. Oh, look, it's one of these arena things. And I'm gonna destroy everything in it.
Thanks.
I like the snow, like, wigglers.
Ow, you hit me with a snowball? Am I supposed to be hurrying?
No, let me get him.
Thanks. Is there more?
Oh, cheap, cheap.
Thanks.
Probably need to, you know.
Got it.
Probably need to stop now because we got
Oh
Bowser,
yeah, I forgot. Hi everyone.
Yeah, look at this lovely view of an island of goopy spikes everywhere.
Give me a second.
Not very pretty
I
view.
gotta roll over to this button.
Um.
Hey, look, we have Mario 64 coins.
Yeah.